I'd like to introduce to the mentor for today's session, Dr. Gargirai Goswami ma'am. Ma'am is the founder and director of Indian Academy for Clinical and Dental Genetics. She is the director of Croinas Private Limited. Ma'am is also the founder and chairman of International Saliva Summit of India, SALSI. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rujuta, and thank you everybody for joining in today. Very nice to see all of you, and nice to see your interest in this kind of a program. All right, so what I'll be going to do today is that I will give you an overview about what will be happening inside the particular internship program that we have been doing, and we will be doing with you. And depending on, after understanding what exactly will be there, how it will be conducted, if you feel that you are compatible, only then go forward. If you feel that you are not compatible, then you can join in any other program of ours, because we keep doing many things. Okay, so I welcome you, all of you, to this writing internship overview, which is a 3 months hands-on program. So you'll understand why it is hands-on in a short while. Let me just take you forward through a couple of slides. Well, this is my core principle with which I have been moving in my life. So I thought that it would be nice to share this with you. I like this quote very much by Roy T. Bennett. Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. I love this quote, and I share this quote not just to prove that I'm a kind of motivational speaker, which I'm not at all. Okay, so this is really, I believe, and this program highlights how to bring up some areas of talents which sometimes we even don't know that we can do something. So therein, in certain moments, we understand, in certain circumstances, we see that some talents are hidden inside us. So through this internship program, we are covering a very wide variety of things related to writing. All right, good to go. What will I cover today? So basically, this is a all-in-one action-based online writing training program. I repeat, it's an action-based all-in-one hands-on online training program. Why I have described this, you will yourself decipher. So let me try to justify what I have written as the tagline. Okay, so what I will cover today is that I will give you a brief statistics of the relevant industry. That means where we stand with writing. When it comes to writing, I'm talking about content. It can be any type of content, and you will see that what we will be covering in this particular internship through the 3 months. And you will also understand that why I am not coming up here, or we are not coming up and offering you a crash course. Well, writing, I believe, is a manifestation of your creative mind. Sometimes we are always not very compliant with how to put our mind onto a paper. That's not a very, very easy job. At the same time, if we know the techniques, then I believe anybody in this world can write. Because today, I have authored a book which is going to release in Diwali. Dr. Rujuta is the co-author, and we have our mentor with us. Well, I have never imagined in my life when I was a student that I will author a book, right? So there is a first time for everything, and you will understand very shortly by seeing the content of this program. I'll give you the statistics of the industry because I am from the industry. So I believe that any person coming inside this course should go away with the takeaway that they should understand that where after completing, they should stand somewhere out of the crowd with some extra knowledge, and they can place themselves in front of the particular industry. And I share these statistics, which is very authentic. You can go and check as well. It's not something which I'm making up and writing. This is important for you to understand because you will be giving your time, energy, and money, everything over here. So that is very important. Then I will tell you that what are your, apart from there are many benefits, but I will just focus today on your top 3 benefits after the internship completion. Okay, and then we have different modules in this program. Obviously, that is very obvious, but I will share that what are the principles behind the program. Then I will also tell you in detail what will be covered. I mean, it will be a detailed overview, not every scratch things. I mean, every details I cannot tell today. So that will be as we go on in the program, or when you will be joining us in the journey. And I'll also tell you how will the training be conducted, and also our mission and vision with this kind of training, why we have come up, or why we have been doing it before, this kind of training. So before we had been doing it with in the level of institutions, but now we came up at the level of individual, because I think this way we can cater to more people and try to help more people. All right, and a little bit about us, so that you should know with whom you are actually interacting, where you're coming and putting your time, money, energy. And definitely a Q&A session, which everybody of us wait for any webinar or any session. By the way, this is not any webinar. Right here is the writing industry statistics. So here, these are vast thing, but I just catered down to 4 points to tell you that why it is so important to understand about what is content writing. And there are many misconceptions about content writing. Content writing includes a very, very wide and vast area of arena. Well, if you have seen, I know everybody of us know this now at this point, that the digital marketing or the digital thing, everything has become, suddenly it has become, very big industry just because of the pandemic. Well, this is not a new thing that is happening, but it has been existing, but a sudden shoot up has happened. So a particular a company or particular group of people who work in this kind of areas, where they find out the industry statistics. So according to that kind of a network, this is the information which I have put. You can go and verify, and if you have any other information, I'd be happy to learn from you. Well, the digital industry, as we all know, that has seen continued growth, right from 2020. It's a sudden, as I said, the up curve. So, and expected statistics say that this growth will reach around 17,000 plus crores and will cross the 50,000 marks in the next 5 years. Okay, the reference is written. This is not my numbers. Such brilliant growth in the digital sector is primarily based on content writing. So, my dear participants, from whichever career point you are here today, whether you are a student, fresher, experienced, or you are into scientific writing, I know that many of you are from different fields, different sectors, and different levels of your career at this point. But let me just tell you that there is very less people in this industry. Mark my words, there is still a high demand in this content writing industry. It was there, it is very much there now, and it will be there, and it will go on increasing. Okay. Now, these two industries, that is the digital sector and the content writing, it is just interdependent. All right, and don't think that I'm here to teach you some, I'm not here to teach you some how to write a Facebook ad, but remember, that is also important. That is also coming under content writing, as writing a scientific review is also under content writing. Medical writing, there are so many types of writing. Okay, now content writing industry is one of the most powerful industries with tremendous potential for growth and prosperity in the coming years. It's like you go to Google and search the statistics about content writing, you will understand what I am telling and why I am telling it with so persistently. I'm telling you, and I'm just trying to put this inside your head that it is very important, and that the decision you have made today, I'm sure that's for a very good thing, that you have decided today to attend at least this particular session today. Even if you don't continue the journey, that's okay, but you have this information and you can make best use of this information. Okay, let's come to the top 3 benefits that you as a participant would get after completion of this training program. The first one is that if you wish, we are opening our platform. We are always open to welcome new people, freshers, less experienced, little experienced, okay? Because I personally believe that I have been very fortunate to get connected to people who have given me opportunities to do that first mistake, first thing. Everything there is a first. So I believe in that. So that is my core belief set or belief system. From there only, we open up our platforms and we take the risk of giving you a voluntary writing opportunity in the academy. What are those opportunities? There will be many things that maybe with the process I will be telling you, and you will get author credit in whatever you do. Plus, this is after if you continue with us as a volunteer. This is absolutely based on the participant's decision. There is nothing from our side. If you come one step, we will go 10 steps to you. So that is how we work. And you also get a certificate, experience certificate, which we openly tell that you go and add it into your CV, flaunt it, so that in the industry people know that you have this kind of an expertise, and at least you get some breakthroughs. And after that 3 months voluntary opportunity, if we have requirements, we absorb you well. Okay, then you also, the second benefit is that we will teach you how to do ebook. If you don't know, you can publish your ebook, first ebook with us, and there is an opportunity to earn. Well, there are certain conditions applied definitely when it comes to earning. We will talk about it as we go inside the program. Third is a scientific review writing opportunity. Those who are interested in scientific review writing on any particular topic, we have certain areas where our expertise is. If you ask me to write on biomechanical engineering, I will not be able to do that. That is not my area. So if you are interested, then you can we can engage together, and we can also start on writing a review. There is no cost involved here. Okay, that is very clear. But yes, while publication, we generally focus on those journals where there is no exchange of finances, but it will depend, because as you know, it's a longer process and you just have to be patient. We also have to be patient. But this is the third opportunity or benefit that as of now we can give you. These are the top 3. Inside there are many things. Okay, let me move on. And coming to the principle behind the program, that is this, all the program modules that I'll be telling you in the coming slide is based on a CA formula. Don't worry, I know you're from biosciences, I know you're from healthcare sector. I'm not going to teach you chartered accountant. I'm very afraid of maths. CA formula is about, C means core principles, and applying the core principles. It's a very simple thought process. So in this program, whatever modules we have developed, it is based on certain core principles of writing that is fundamental in any kind of writing in this world, whether it is a book, whether it is a paper, whether whether you're writing for a website, whether you're writing a personal blog, whether you're writing a kind of story. So those are core principles. So for example, like how to select a title, how to write, how to even know that what style I should use in a particular type of writing, because I am very sure that you all know, you are aware as a student or as a professional or a fresher, that there is a way of representing. Because if I am writing a storybook, then there's a different style. When I'm writing a scientific paper, that's a different style. So those are the certain core principles which applies to all kind of writing. And how to apply those core principles in the process. Like for example, what would be that? So we will teach you how to write a blog. So first we tell that how to select a topic for a blog, how to do this, how to do that, blah, blah, blah. Then we tell that how to write a blog. So that means you are actually learning as well as implementing. There is nobody going to come and sit and tell you, give some hours together lectures. It is just you who will be executing things. If you execute, you will definitely learn. If you don't do, then I don't know, it will be really difficult to help you. Now coming to the most awaited slide for all of you, what will be covered? So basically, approximately, I just figured out that 3 months would be around 13 weeks. It might go some, it might tweak a little bit. That so what will be covered inside is basically this. So there are 13 weeks. This is a 13-week plan. So all these topics that you see. So every week we will cover one such topic and applying the CA formula. First you learn the core and then you apply. So how you apply? Application will be in the form of assignment and definitely activity. So I'm not going to sit and read all these things. All those who have attended this session, you will get a recording of this particular video. And still, if you want self-satisfaction, you can be free, take out your mobile and take a screenshot of this particular slide if you want, but I will be sharing with you this particular recording, so you can go back and watch again. So all these things that you see, now I have just put up only 13 topics, only 13 type of content, but if you give me an opportunity, I can tell you at least 32 types of content. It's still there. All right. And if you think that these things are, oh, case study, I know, quiz, well, that can be a content as well. So, email writing. Who teaches email writing? Oh my God. I have to learn email writing, particularly for professionals, for students who are good at English. We have kind of mindsets, you know. So just when you come here, you have to come like a baby, because this is how I have learned. I will tell you what I know. That much only I can tell you. I can't tell more. If you know, then you teach me. Why I am telling you to come in like a baby? Because you have to keep your mind open. I have seen that many people don't know how to approach. When you approach somebody for the first time, maybe you connect with somebody, right? Like you want to tell that I want to do this work. As I say, you might be at any career level. So there is a way of email writing. Well, apart from that as well, the most important thing that I want to tell you in email writing is that industry people hire persons only for writing emails. Okay, you will learn a lot. And if you think that inside each of this topic, I will again tell you to, I'll teach you certain tools, definitely, but I am not a marketer, I am an academician, so be very thorough that there is no upscale inside. I will not tell you, this is the link, this is my affiliate, so please use this and buy this. There's nothing. Whatever I will tell you, I will teach you all those things where you can start with. If you are not doing anything, if you are, I mean to say, when we start, we need certain things handy. So I will teach you all those things. So I'm just giving you one example. So don't, by seeing the topics, don't, if you know it, then it is very good. If you don't know, that's why I'm trying to give you a very clear picture just by taking one thing. And week number 11, sorry, I missed, that's a misprint. I should have, it should have been written properly. That's my bad. So that will be article for original work. Like how if you are doing original research, then how you should write that article. That is absolutely scientific. Okay. Okay. So all these topics that you see would be covered in 13 weeks. And what I mean by assignments would be individual. So some assignments will be a single person thing. Like I say that, okay, this assignment is blog writing. So you write a blog. So that's assignment for individual. So that is individual assignment. Some assignments are team. So we will make a group, and in the group we will make subgroups where you will be in part of a team. Among the participants, the team will be done, and the team will work that. Okay, work out. In the next slide, I'll explain you how, in a very brief, that how it will go. Okay, and what is this activity in between participants, and what do I mean by group? Well, as you understand, if it is an assignment is teamwork, then obviously that activity will also be it will be a group activity with that particular team. Say for example, we are teaching you scientific review writing, or say we are trying to critically evaluate a scientific review. Then we will do a group activity. Say, for example, we do a group activity, we come together and we take up those 4 people or 5 people who are in the group, and then we do it. So it will be a very, very interactive sessions, just like it will be a mix of lives. And see, we don't keep any criteria that there will be 5 lives, 10 lives. So that means if it is 11th or 9th, that's not going to happen. It's not like that. I keep it very, very flexible. Okay. All right. So all these details will be each week you will be getting from the time we start, and you will have clear ideas. So don't worry about anything. So basically, this is the overview. All right. Right from blog writing, you will learn till how to author a book. Okay. Let me just move on to the next slide. So how will the training be conducted? As I said, that we will have a live question and answer session once per month. And as I said, it may be more if there is a requirement. Okay, question answer session live will be particularly question and answer, where we will be you will be asking questions. I will be trying to answer. Rujuta will try to answer your questions at our best possible capability. Okay, whatever training will go to you, like for example, as I said, that we will teach you core principles and how to apply, and then comes the assignment. So this will be the simple 3-step thing that we will be doing for each module. I hope it is clear to you. So training, it will go as some booklets or a document which would be shared with you, and you have lifetime access for it. So don't fight for that document. Everybody will get it. And very simple, at the end of the internship, there will be a final exam and then certification. There, as I said, there are some bonuses where we will do some group discussions and activities. And as we move on, we will keep disclosing to you, and we will be making it a very, very fantastic experience. And what would be the normal format? The normal format is like, as you see that there are 13 weeks, and say for example, we have a group of 13 people or 14 people, whatever. So every week we will from our side assign one participant as the leader of that week. So then we do a special instruction session with the leader. Every week everybody gets a chance to become a leader. There is a purpose behind this, which I will tell you a little ahead in my next slide. Then the kind of if there is any things to be done, like collection of the assignments, if there are individual assignments, the leader has to lead, okay, and coordinate. So we will be giving you clear instructions, whoever will be the leader. So things will be kind of very, very interactive. There is no opportunity that you will be isolated and sitting inside a room and peeping into a paper and doing the assignment. So you just have to be very bold and come out, and it will be very, very, like for example, very interactive. Why I say because suppose you write a blog, and I'll just go back to the slide, previous one. Does it allow me? Yeah. So if you see, this is an activity where I have written in between participants. Say a simple example. Say there are few participants, say 4 participants. So one participant writes, every 4 participants write one blog, and it will be exchanged among each of the participants. Each of the participant will evaluate another participant's blog. Well, we have a very robust system where we will ensure that evaluation remains unbiased, because if the other participant is your friend, you'll give more marks. That's not going to happen. That I'll not allow. So be very sure of it. And there are many awards and accolades in every step. I don't want to declare all the surprises today. Okay. Why do we conduct this training? We have a mission and vision, as I started in the beginning. So basically, this is to help you identify your hidden potential or nourish your existing writing skills, help you to make industry competent, particularly when I tell industry is the content writing industry that I mentioned, help you to understand and explore newer opportunities to learn how to monetize your talent. Particularly here, I talk about the writing, and then how you can start earning from those small bits of pieces of work that you can yourself generate. Help you to develop team building and leadership qualities as well, because I think you have already seen the format of the program. Okay, let's move on. And little bit about us, because I think many of you know us and many of you don't know. So Cronus Private Limited is the first startup in India focusing on online education, training, and services exclusively in the field of dental genetics and saliva diagnostics research and talent upscaling. Our exclusive training academy wing is Indian Academy for Clinical and Dental Genetics, and we have been dominating the space of interdisciplinary sciences from 2016 onwards. And as one of our benchmark, we started we began this concept of dental genetics where we try to bridge the basic sciences and dental sciences in one place. And with that aim, also we work on a very specific niche on how using the human biofluid, that is saliva, in different diagnostics aspect. That is one of our forte. And we pioneered the community building program in the form of a conference, that is the International Saliva Summit of India, since 2019. It is basically a physical conference, but due to pandemic, we have gone virtual like other conferences. So I welcome all of you, because if you are from the field and if you are interested, go and hop in and see what's there inside the conference and join, because we have a lot of learning inside that conference as well, apart from the speakers who are global pioneers in the field. And we believe in propagating awareness about the importance of interdisciplinary scientific knowledge sharing through our free global e-magazine, Genomedin. And I hope many of you know what is Genomedin by now. So basically, just to sum up it in one line, Genomedin is an e-magazine which is free, and it basically focuses on 4 main areas apart from other sub areas. So those are dental genetics, saliva diagnostics research, lifestyle disorders, and career growth tips. Okay, thank you so much and for your undivided attention. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for following all the ground rules in this entire session. And I hope you enjoyed this session, whatever I have explained. Now, there will be many queries, confusion, doubts. So, okay, let's be pigeons and let's, start throwing questions and throwing the answers to each other. And just remember one thing, that if you haven't written anything in your life, then I can assure after 3 months of this program, you will be able to write. I can guarantee you that. All right. Well, what you will write, that you will depend on which of that slice of bread. Okay. Can you see one slice of bread in that pigeon's neck? So each module is a slice of bread. Which bread is more tasty to you? That I cannot assure. But as I said, that if you haven't written anything of your own in your life, you will be able to write tasting all of the 13 breads. Okay, so only thing that can stop you is only you. With that, I will end this session, and I hope that this was useful. And please be free and ask me your questions.
Ma'am, whether the classes are daily basis and name the time, because I'm attending the college, so I want to know the timing.
I'll tell you how it goes. As I mentioned already in the presentation, what will happen every week, you will get a training booklet. Okay, so that booklet would be kind of a document which will be shared with all the participants. So in this way, you will be able to, you just have to go through all the instructions, whatever has been written. So you will have a week's time for the entire learning. All right, and at the end of that particular week, suppose week 1 is blog writing, so we will give you a training booklet where everything about blog writing will be there. It is a self-paced learning, so how much ever times you want to read it, you read. And if there are any questions, I will tell you that as well, how the questions will be addressed. Anyway, we have a live Q&A. Apart from that, we will make a group particularly for people who will be going forward with this training. So there you can just put your questions out, but definitely that will take little time to answer, so you have to got that patience. All right, but you can put away your questions. Like suppose you are reading that day, and any time that question comes up, you just throw your question and wait for the answer. It will be definitely answered. All right, so it is then at the end, after end of every module, there definitely, as you saw, there will be some kind of assignment you have to complete within time. Okay, that is the only thing that we look forward, because if you don't complete with time, it will keep piling up. At the end, your learning will not be proper. All right, fine. Thank you so much. Fantastic group of people. So any questions you have? If you have, I will hang around here. Any questions? Everything is clear, or everything is cleared? I mean, you didn't understand anything. What I will take by this silence? Is it a positive silence or a negative silence? Come on, tell me. Right or
Positive, of course.
that's good.
Positive, positive.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So, as I understand that you don't have any questions anymore, that means and you say that it is a positive silence. So that's pretty good. You made my evening. I'll have a hot cup of coffee. It's going to be evening over here. I think it's already little late evening there in India. All right. So, the last thing that can be done is that if you wish to continue with the program, two things you can do. You have got an email regarding this program, you have got this Zoom link, or you have got some WhatsApp link to be joined, blah blah blah. So go to events ICDG and hit a reply back that I am interested or I confirm my participation. Just write this as an email reply back. That is one way. Another convenient way is that if you are in a WhatsApp group, I don't know if everybody is connected in that WhatsApp group because we have mixed group of people. So if you're connected in a WhatsApp group, then just confirm your participation there. All right, from 8th of November, and it starts. So it will be very interactive. So nothing to worry. And as I already said, you can put up your questions, queries, anything.
I have a doubt. Can I ask it?
Yes, please. Only Anisha has doubts. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, you said you will be having a assignment at the end, like any kind of an assignment. So it will be on the weekends.
Yeah, see how it will be. The document will contain everything. Only thing what I said is that along with the assignment, your document will go to you at the beginning of the week. Let me be very clear on this. You get suppose blog writing. So that's a training document mentioning all about what is blog writing, blah blah blah. Whatever training has to be done, it will go in the form. In the same document at the end, you will have an assignment which will be mentioned in that document. So what I mentioned about the submission of the assignment is that by the end of that week, you have to submit the assignment for that particular module. Suppose you can do it at the weekend if you are free, more free. If you have finished reading and you are okay and you are done with your assignment ahead of time, you can post it, you can submit it then and there. And we will give you all instructions when the program is starting. When the program starts, how to submit, what to do. You will get all clear instructions. So don't worry on that. Okay.
My name is Acharya Anisha, and I'm doing my postgraduate in biotechnology in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, in Loyola College.
Fantastic.
Looking forward to work with you.
Ma'am, I'm also doing my master's in biotechnology first year in Chennai, Loyola College, ma'am. Happy to be a part of this. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
This is Srijoni Shikdar. I am doing my master's from Reva University in microbial technology.
Fantastic.
Yes, I'm also from the Loyola College. I'm doing my master's in biotechnology.
All right. Okay. Then I see Tina Jones B.
I'm Tina Jones. I'm doing my master's in biotechnology and I'm from Loyola College, Chennai.
Okay, there are many Loyola colleges, Loyalites here. That is how you call yourself, is it?
Yes,
Good. Okay, so Purvesh, though I know you, please introduce yourself.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. My name is Purvesh Bhavsar, and I've done my graduation biotechnology, master's in MBA, and currently I'm working as a corporate trainer in Mumbai itself.
Fantastic. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for your time and for being here. And I hope this session was useful and fruitful. And just go ahead and whatever is your decision, if it is a positive, you can just let us know, because then we will just take up the interested people and we will start giving you the instructions, and we'll start from November 8th.
Anybody who is interested, you can write us via eventsiacdg@gmail.com, or whoever is connected to us via the WhatsApp number, the Academy WhatsApp number, you can message there as well, or whoever is connected in the group, you can just put in the group that yes, I'm interested. So thank you all for patiently hearing till the end.
Thank you. Thank you so much.